Hello guys, so I was learning how to create multiplayer game in Unreal. So while learning I've created this small project. So in this video I'll just demonstrate what I've created, not how I've created. So let me show you what I've created. So this is a small car racing game, and this is a vehicle template of Unreal. So basically I focused on this project is how to replicate the movement and how to simulate physics. So this is the car I've created. Let me show you. So this is the car. It has some variables like throttle, mass, turning radius, drag coefficient, friction, on the basis of which physics gets calculated, physics simulation gets calculated. So this car has mainly two components. Both of these are written in C++, and the movement component has all the code for the simulation of physics, and the replication component has all the code for the replication of that physics through the server to the client. So that's it. Let me so these values of of uh, update something update something, and it resetted its value. So these are not correct value, so the simulation will not be as seamless as it was before, but it will show you how it's working. So let me show you the gameplay and show you how it's working. So so as you can see, on right side we have a server and on the left side we have a client, and the box you are seeing around the car is the collision box, and I'm not simulating the collision box, I'm simulating the mesh, because collision box simulation is of no use because we want the exact location where the car is when we want to generate collisions and do calculations. So I'm not simulating the box, I'm just simulating the mesh. Let me show you how it looks like. If I move my server, you can see the box is updating its position, but the car is smoothly simulating around it, the car mesh to be specific. Now now if you can see, this is my client. You can see on the server, when I will cross him, see. So so the application is working perfectly, and the car is also running smoothly without any glitches and anything. And one more thing I want to tell you, like, this is running at one second update rate. Like, the updation is happening in every 1 second. So between that 1 second, the simulation is happening by predicting the next location of the car after the 1 second. So that's how it's working smoothly after, although we are having 1 second delay in simulation. And one more thing I want to mention, like, I've source control this whole project, or I can say whole folder, using DevOps. So in DevOps, I've source control each and every file and each and every folder. If you can see, save, everything is here. So I did it to just, like, you can see, I've I've source control the crash file also. So yeah, so I've source control everything to just check that is there any limit, uh, is there any limit for the source control on Azure. Like, on GitHub we have limits, so we have to use LFS, but here I'm not using LFS, nothing else, but still I'm source controlling each and every file, which whose size is, I think, 30, yeah, 30 GB. So I source control 30 GB files, and it didn't give me errors and does not require any LFS. So yeah, you can do this. I'm still testing it, that what's the size limit in this. So yeah, that's it.